Welcome to a little thing I like to call moving into my parents' house. Moving back into my parents' house. I'm laying in bed, I'm so tired. I'm like curled up in a ball. I just got home from moving out of my college apartment. I did a whole video, a whole move out vlog. I'll link it down below. Essentially, I have to live in my parents' house for about 3 weeks until I move into my next apartment, just the way the leases work where I live. Really annoying, but everyone has to do it. So I will be living here. So I need to like move in, but also like my dog just opened my door. What are you doing? What? Hello? I need to move in, but not for that long, so I'm not moving everything in, but I also need to make it livable. So I moved a few things already. Let's get there. Now we're here. Just finished moving out of my apartment completely. My room just has stuff everywhere, so I need to clean it up a little bit and then we can really start moving in. If you guys watched the move out vlog, you saw that I had my desk from home at my apartment and my apartment desk here, so we need to bring that back. Clear this off. This is all the stuff like on my desk. This was in my closet. It's like all Christmas stuff. This is all my clothes from my apartment. If you guys don't know, this is like the best way of storing your clothes for moving. If you're moving like in state, you just put trash bags over the hangers and then you can hang them back up and it's great. And I love it. Yeah, fun little thing. Actually, I'm gonna... No! No! Oh my gosh, no. Oh! What? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. What happened? Oh my god, that had alcohol in it and it dropped and then it spilled everywhere. Now there's alcohol in my eyes. Go put a washcloth on him. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I see. Oh my god. Did it break? Or just spill? Oh no, I just dropped my sunglasses in it. Should have been vlogging that. Well? Okay. Well, oh no, the lid broke. Did it break? The lid of the Tito's broke.
Yeah. And I don't know what all these are.
Kendall's gonna kill me.
Why?
Because there's alcohol spill outside her bedroom.
We'll clean it.
Should I just throw this hat away or should we just wash
That can go in the washing machine. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure those suspenders can get washed too.
Okay, I'll get a plastic bag. I can't believe this happened. Does it smell like alcohol now? Yep, that smells like straight alcohol. I accidentally spilled alcohol all over this and that and all over my stuff. That was so fun. Oh, there's even, oh, that's glitter. Okay, I'm gonna set my desk back up. It's gonna take like 5 seconds because all I'm really doing is putting a mirror on it, but we're gonna do that. I'm not staying for long, but we brought another load home. I still have a few more days until I officially move out of my apartment and I just wanna like be in it for as long as I can just for the memes. But I thought that I would kind of go through these. We have a lot of stuff in the back of the car that we haven't unloaded yet. Are we doing it now? Oh, I guess we're gonna do it now. No big. Let's do this thing. Whoa. Oh my god, Mom! Mom, come out here when you're ready. I have something to show you. You're gonna like it. Oh, I thought it was something back. The dime? Shut up! Yeah. Aww. Do you want to take a photo of it? Yeah. Here, let me show the people. So, oh, dang it. I'm fine. So, we found this dime here. My mom's family has this thing that when we find dimes, it's like a sign from her dad. Isn't that crazy? We found a dime?
That is crazy.
Crazy. I saw it and I was like, I need to wait for Mom.
I thought something was broken.
No, I was like moving and I was like, how would that even? See,
Grandpa says you need to move home.
Grandpa does not say I need to move home. Yeah. Grandpa says yay for not breaking the TV.
Grandpa says move
Show
home.
Kendall what we found.
Look what we just found.
Cute outfit. Was it head up? It was tails. And
I always find it tails.
I always find it tails too. Every time I found one. They had tails.
Grandpa.
Keegan. What?
That's just so sweet.
I know.
I wish I could find one.
I haven't found one in a while too. I obviously have my whole bed here. Like I have pillows, a blanket, and comforter, all that, but the stuff that I had at my apartment is just so much better quality than the stuff I have here. So I'm literally going to switch it out. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Oh no. I just ripped off paint. I was trying to take a command strip off and the paint came with it. That's not good. My mom's gonna be mad. Mom, if you're watching this, can we repaint over that? My mattress topper will be the first thing. You wouldn't look at this room and be like, wow, so much progress has been made, but it has. I hung that up. I thought that was boring. I was like, you don't need to see that. And then I also did this. This is like the ugliest thing I've ever done, but like whatever. I used to have boxes there, so I moved them. And then I have so much trash. I need to put that in these drawers. I need to get the organizers out. They're right there and there. Good. Okay, they're already out. It's so hard because I'm like, what do I do now? I feel like there's so many things to do. Couple days later and I wanted to show you guys just where I put everything. I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun to do like a little like tour, I guess, of like how I ended up figuring everything out. As you guys saw, I hear my dog coming, so she might be a special guest, but as you guys saw, I used my bedding from my apartment in my bedroom and then I put it all under my bed. I actually put my mirrors under my bed too. If you guys remember my iconic, not really, but like in my head they're iconic, the circular like shelf mirrors I have, they're literally under my bed right now. So yeah, that's fun fact. I put that there, this little thing. I love this thing. Said special guest has come. Do you want to go on the bed? Oh, I love her. She always jumps like that up there. Wait, give me a second. I need to set the camera down. No, you want to go back up? She's too old now to do it herself. She used to be able to, and now she's too old. So no, we are not rubbing our face on my white bedding. We are not doing that. Hey, no, we are not doing it on my throw blanket either. Stop it. I'll kick you out. I'll make you move. Do you want that? Do you really want that? Sorry, I have to pet her, guys. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! She doesn't. Hey, stop! Stop! Her eye boogers are like black, and I don't want them on my bed. Okay, I think I've stared at her enough for her to. Oh, she's so cute. Anyways, back to the point. This is my desk. It is a little cluttered at the moment. Oh my god, she gets even cuter every time she moves. I'm like, ah. This circle mirror I'm gonna put in my bedroom, in my apartment, and then these are normally that's here. Very unorganized. Decently organized. This is bad. This is pretty bad. Can you hear her grunting? She's always like, She's not doing it. Is she offended by that? There we go. Were you offended by my impersonation of you? Anyways, I have my shoes here, and then this is just some random stuff that I had. The cloud perfume, and then I have this photo of Zoe. The only thing that wasn't from my old bedroom is this, and then this is new. I turned it like that because I was in a Zoom meeting, and I wanted it to look good, so I had the white part facing. But this looks a little cluttered, I will admit. Have my TV here. My closet, I did my laundry. The clothes, I will say they're not as like perfectly organized as I would normally love, but because I'm moving out in literally a week. How am I moving out next week? Next week I'm moving out. So yeah, I'm barely here. So get excited for like a real move-in vlog of my apartment, like me decorating it. I organized my clothes as best as I can, and I think they turned out pretty good, so can't complain. Is our other visitor coming? Lily? I will admit I do have some stuff just sitting in the hallway because I didn't know where else to put it. Oh, hello, other guest. Hello.
Hello, come on in. Do you want to come in? Come on, join us. Nope, she's going straight to the... What are you doing? Do you want to go into bed? She's so like... She reminds me of a pigeon, always. Okay, she's just gonna sit there. They're like talking to each other. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Anyways, that was my move-in vlog. I hope that you guys liked it. I will be doing a move-in vlog very, very soon of me moving into my apartment, so get excited for that. It's going to be a lot more fun than this one. But thank you guys so much for watching this. Thank you to my mom, my stepdad, and my sister for all the help they did helping me move back in here, so shout out to them. I love you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!